we'll just use these, I guess. You like Crunkzilla? Is that who had Crunkzilla on it?
No, I was just...
Yeah. Like Lil Jon? No. All right, so what we do is we drag and drop. The one cool thing I love about Studio One, it's all drag and drop based instead of you digging through a list of stuff. So we're gonna drag and we're gonna drop that right on our track.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now we have this instrument track going. All right, so here's the thing. We could go on here and do, it's probably playing through there, but it's not loud enough. But you can click and manually do it, but that's kind of a pain, right? So what we can do is we can create a MIDI track.
Right.
Okay. Do you know about?
I know. I don't know if they do.
All right. So this is our MIDI track. All right. So now we're going to edit our MIDI track, and you can click that, and here's our MIDI track that we opened. All right. Wish we could open that even more. There it is.
Do you mind if I tilt? Can you tilt that screen just a little bit this way? Awesome. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you.
It's going to be tough to hear this, okay, because of those headphones. But what you basically do here is it's called. Are you on Facebook? You're on Facebook at all? Hey, you're on YouTube, right? Probably all the time.
Yes,
No?
you are.
Okay. All right. So there's this YouTube video of a guy, and he has this table, right? And he puts the balls on the table, right? Have you seen this? And it lights up. Okay, never mind. Bad analogy. So what you can do is, here's another one. Have you guys ever seen one of those pianos that like plays itself? Like you stick the paper through, and then it like plays itself when you feed the paper through it. This is kind of like what that is.
Okay.
Because you're writing the music out. So for example, let's find like a hi-hat, right? So we can go in here. Let's pick like 30-second notes. And hi-hat. So we can go in here. Maybe. Oh, I'm trying to. Let me blow this up a little bit. There we go. I'm more of a PC guy, I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, and so we can go in here and start, well, this is not doing what I need it to do. Anyway, essentially what's going on here is you can go in and start clicking these and make your own music. So if you want to go like do 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 do, and then it went doots 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 doots.
Right. Okay.
So when you click play, it'll play what you had written. Okay, but that's not, it's just something that you have to mess with. Okay. The next thing, let's add an audio track. So let's do guitar. Okay, so here's a guitar track, and because we're going to be using the microphone to record the guitar or plugging the guitar directly in, we can do that. So we're going to do an audio track, and let's make that blue. Okay, and the thing is, you got to select, is it a stereo track or a mono track? Well, for this, we're just going to be mono. Okay, and preset, you don't really have to preset anything. But you do have to pick your input. So do you want the left channel or the right channel? Well, we're plugged into the left one. So
okay.
We're going to do the left channel, and the output is just going to be the main output. Okay? So now we have a guitar track set up.
Okay, and the guitar too, same thing. It's like a MIDI where you're going to...
Well, this is MIDI. This is guitar now. So the difference is an instrument track. You got to think about like this.
Oh, that's right. You're going through, you're inputting, you're actually recording something.
I'm going to record something.
That's right, okay.
Whereas an instrument track is all like these instruments that are in here that are pre-done inside.
Gotcha.
An audio track, even though my guitar is an instrument, it's actually audio, that's going in, like as a wave. Okay? So what we can do is we can arm this track. As you can see,
it's going to record. Oh wow! Is that mic working? Or?
It is working. Now let me put these on here. Let me check. Oh yeah. Check. Okay. So this one right here, okay, is this the volume, or actually it's called the input gain, but it's the volume. Okay. What you want to do is anytime you're recording something, you want to get it as loud as possible without that light going off. So anytime if I'm singing, yeah, like that's going off. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So right now, if you're gonna sing or play anything, you're gonna want to get that as loud as possible without it clipping.
Makes sense. Okay.
Okay. That way you have the best waveform possible.
Okay.
I know I'm talking Greek here, but anyway, let me grab a guitar and we'll record something.
Awesome. Cool.